Hello viewers, welcome to UN Digital class. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed about the multiplicative cipher. Now, in this lecture, I am going to discuss about affine cipher. Affine cipher is the combination of both additive cipher and multiplicative cipher, and it uses a pair of key for the encryption and decryption. From the key pair, the first key is used with the multiplicative cipher and the second key is used with the additive cipher. Now, look at this figure. In this figure, this is the encryption algorithm for multiplicative cipher and this is the encryption algorithm for additive cipher. Now, combining these two algorithms, it gives the encryption algorithm for affine cipher. In single line, the encryption algorithm for affine cipher is this one, C equal to P into K1 plus K2 mod 26. Now, in this figure here, P is the plain text and K1 is the first key of the key pair. Then mod 26 is calculated when plain text is multiplied with the K1, after that mod 26 is calculated. Here this result is stored in the T, that is the intermediate result. Now this intermediate result is added with the second key, that is the K2. After that the mod 26 is calculated which produce the ciphertext, that is C. Now this ciphertext is transmitted over the network, and this process of conversion from plain text to ciphertext is called the encryption. Next one is decryption. In affine cipher, for the decryption, the ciphertext is converted into the plain text. Here, the ciphertext from the ciphertext, the K2, that is the second key from the key pair, is subtracted and the result is stored in the T. Now, this is the intermediate result and this result is multiplied with the multiplicative inverse of the first key, that is the K1 inverse. After that mod 26 is calculated which gives us the plain text. Now, if you want to do the decryption in single line, then the decryption algorithm is P equal to C minus K2 into K1 inverse. That means first we subtract the K2, that is the second key, from the ciphertext. After that we multiply it with the multiplicative inverse of the first key. Then find out the mod 26 which gives us the plain text. This is the process of encryption and decryption by using the affine cipher. Now take one example. In this example, the plain text is hello and the key pair is 7 and 2. Here 7 is the first key, that is the K1, and 2 is the second key, that is the K2. Now we encrypt this plain text by using the encryption algorithm of the affine cipher, that is C equal to P into K1 plus K2 mod 26. When we want to encrypt this message, first of all we have to take the individual alphabet of the plain text. The first alphabet of our plain text is H. Here H is our first alphabet of plain text. Now we find out its numeric equivalent. From this table, the numeric equivalent of H is 7. Now we put this 7 in your encryption algorithm. Here the P value is 7, that is 7 into K1. The K1 value is 7, that means 7 into 7 plus K2. K2 means 2. Then mod 26, that is equal to 49 plus 2 mod 26, that is equal to 51 mod 26. Now here you calculate the 51 mod 26 by dividing 51 by 26, that is equal to 26 into 1, 26. Here you subtract 26 from the 51, that is 25. Now for this 51 mod 26, the value is 25. Here again you find out the alphabetic equivalent of this 25. Now for 25 the alphabet is Z, that is our ciphertext, which means for plain text value H, our ciphertext is Z. In this similar manner, you can find out the ciphertext for all the alphabet of our plain text. The next alphabet of our plain text is E. Now, the numeric equivalent of E is 4. Again, you put this value in this algorithm, that means 4 into 7 plus 2 mod 26, which equal to 4. Here the alphabetic equivalent of 4 is E, which means for the plain text E, the ciphertext is also E. Now the next alphabet of our plain text is L. For L, the numeric equivalent is 11. Now you multiply 11 into 7 plus 2 mod 26, that is equal to 1. For 1, the alphabet is B. That means for our plain text L, the ciphertext is B. Now the next alphabet is also L. That means for L, the ciphertext is your B. Now the last alphabet is O. Here for O, the numeric equivalent is 14. That means you multiply 14 with the value K1, that is 7, then add 2 mod 26, which is equal to 22. Now for this 22, the alphabet is W. That means for plain text O, the ciphertext is W. Now here our plain text is hello. For this plain text, the ciphertext is Z E B B W. Here we take this plain text and use this key pair and use the encryption algorithm of affine cipher, then we get the ciphertext, that is Z E B B W. Now here we decrypt this ciphertext to the plain text. For decryption, we use the decryption algorithm of the affine cipher, that is P equal to C minus K2 into K1 inverse. For decryption, similarly, you have to take the individual alphabet of the ciphertext. Here, the first alphabet of our ciphertext is Z. Now, you find out the numeric equivalent of this alphabet, that is Z. Here the numeric equivalent of Z is 25. Then you apply the decryption algorithm of affine cipher, that is C minus K2. Here the value of C is 25, that is 25 minus K2. Here the K2 value is 2. That means 25 minus K2 into K1 inverse. Here K1 is 7. That means 7 inverse mod 26. That is equal to 25 minus 2, that is equal to 23 into 7 inverse, means here the multiplicative inverse of the 7, that is equal to 15, which I have already discussed in my previous video. Then mod 26, that is equal to 7. Now you find out the alphabet equivalent for this 7. Here for 7 the alphabet equivalent is H. That means for our ciphertext Z we calculate the plain text that is H. Now the next alphabet of our ciphertext is E. For E the numeric equivalent is 4. Now you apply the decryption algorithm, that means C minus K2. Here the value of C is 4, that means 4 minus 2 into K1 inverse, that means 7 inverse mod 26, that is equal to 2 into 15 mod 26, that is equal to 4. Here you find out the alphabetic equivalent of 4. For 4 the alphabet is E. Now the next alphabet of our ciphertext is B. For B the numeric equivalent is 1. Now you apply the decryption algorithm, that is C minus K2 means 1 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod 26, that is equal to 11. Here for 11 the alphabetic equivalent is L. That means for our ciphertext B the plain text is L. Here again our next alphabet of our ciphertext is B. That means for B the plain text is also L. Now the last alphabet of our ciphertext is W. For W the numeric equivalent is 22. That means 22 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod 26, that is equal to 14. Now for 14 the numeric equivalent is O. That means for our ciphertext W the plain text is O. Here our ciphertext is ZEBBW. For this ciphertext we have calculated the plain text here, that is hello. That means in your decryption we use the ciphertext and from ciphertext we calculate the plain text. Now this is the process of finding plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text by using the affine cipher encryption and decryption algorithm. I hope you understand what is affine cipher and what are the encryption process and decryption process of the affine cipher. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me through comment. I will reply and discuss about your doubt. Thank you for watching.